If you're a YouTuber and you don't have these 5 apps that I'm about to list on this video, then at the end of this video, make sure you download each and every app that I'm going to mention on this video, because these apps, they are going to help you improve as a YouTube creator, and also they are going to help you to start getting more views, and help your channel to start doing better. And also it's going to help your videos, help you be able to optimize your videos better, so that your videos will be doing better whenever you upload them on YouTube. So make sure that you get these apps, because these apps, they have actually been helping me. So I had to make sure that I upload this video so I can talk about this app, so that every YouTube creator can help themselves out by getting this app installed on their phone. And another thing is that with this app, you'll be able to like see what your viewers like while they are watching your videos, see how they are reacting to your videos and stuff like that. So this app are very, very important. And please, if you have any question at the end of this video, do drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And also remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. All right, let's get right to it. The first app that you are going to need is called Canva. This app is a very powerful app, and with this app you can be creating thumbnails, because this is the same app that I used to create all my beautiful thumbnails that I used to upload all my videos on YouTube. And also I'm going to be making a video about how I use it to create thumbnails very soon on my channel, so you can subscribe to stay connected, so that when I upload that video you can also see it. Another thing that you can use this Canva app to do is to create good looking banners, because when it comes to creating banners, sometimes it's very, very tricky, because sometimes when you have to create a banner, it's going to look good on a mobile device, but when you have to look at it on a PC device, it's going to be looking kind of bad. While sometimes you do your banner, it will be looking good on a PC device, but when you have to look at it with a mobile device, it's going to be looking very bad. So with Canva, you can actually create very good looking banners. Even my own channel right now, the banner that is right there, I created it with Canva, and that banner looks good on both PC devices and mobile devices. And also I made a video about how I used the Canva app to create this banner that I'm using on my channel, so you can also watch that video, because I'm going to suggest it at the end of this video, so you can easily access it and watch it. Another thing that you can actually use this app as well to create is your your channel profile photo. I actually even forgot to talk about that. It's your profile photo. You can use it to create your profile photo. Even the one that I have on my channel right now, I actually use Canva to do that. So you can use Canva to create banner and create profile photo. It's actually good for that. The second app that you're going to need is the YouTube Studio app, and this app is another powerful app. And the reason why you actually need this app, because with this app you'll be able to monitor all your videos that is in your channel, and also you'll be able to make quick changes. Like maybe you want to change your thumbnail, you don't have to like use your PC, you can just use your mobile device to change the thumbnail. Or maybe you feel like adding more tags to your video because your video is not doing well, you just want to add more tags. You can also use this YouTube Studio. You can even use it to edit the description and so much more. So this app is a must have as a YouTuber, YouTube creator. So make sure that you have this app installed on your phone. Another thing that you can use this app to do is to actually like observe your video analytics, or rather your channel analytics, because when it comes to like uploading a lot of videos, sometimes you need to actually know what's actually happening. Sometimes you need to know like where these viewers are actually finding your videos, how they are seeing your videos, how they are reacting to your videos, if they're actually watching it to the end, or maybe they are just leaving the video maybe in the middle. So you need to know this kind of thing, so you can improve, so that maybe on your next video you know what not to do, or rather what to do. So that kind of stuff. So when it comes to that, this app is a must have, because that's the app that you'll be using to monitor these kind of things, and learn a lot of lessons that will improve your next video. Another important app that you need to have as a YouTube creator is CapCut, and this app is actually available on both mobile devices and PC devices. And the reason why you should have this app, because this app will enable you to be able to edit your videos like a pro. Like, I'm not joking, like you'll be able to edit your videos like a pro, and you're able to make your videos, like the visuals, look way more better. And apart from that, you'll be able to even adjust your audio settings, and make your audio actually much more sharper, because there's also a settings for that in CapCut. So make sure to install this app so you can make your videos look better. Another thing that you can do with this CapCut app is that you can actually overlay one video on another video with this app. So that's very, very nice. Like right now you're actually seeing another video on your screen, but you can still hear my voice while you are seeing that video. So you can actually do this with the CapCut app. Both the mobile version and PC version, both of them can actually do this. And another thing that you can actually do with this app as well is that you can actually like add subscribe animations to your videos, like this one that you can see on your screen right now. I actually did this with CapCut, so you can actually also do this with CapCut if you have it installed on your phone. And also when it comes to adding subscribe animations on the screen, I actually made a video about this, and also I'm going to suggest it at the end of this video so you can watch it and learn on how to do cool animations like this on your video as well. Another very cool feature that this CapCut has is that you can actually use it to create captions on your videos. Although I actually do not do that on my video, but you can actually do that, like those captions that you normally see some YouTubers videos where they are talking and you can see everything that they are saying appearing on the screen. And sometimes you can also see it in short, like they will be talking and then you are seeing the whole text just appearing on the screen. That's called caption. So CapCut can actually do this as well. You can use CapCut to do all that. And another thing that you can even still use this CapCut to do, apart from this caption, is that you can actually use it to blur your background. You can use it to blur your background. So let me say, for example, you are in an environment, or your background is something that you don't like, it's not appealing to you, and it's making you not feel like upload videos because you don't like the background. You can actually use CapCut to blur that background out, and then the only thing they will be seeing is just you and maybe your chair, like the way I'm in my my chair right now. They will be seeing you and maybe your chair, but the background you just blur it out. So if you're interested in that as well, I'm going to suggest it at the end of this video, so you can see that and learn on how to blur your background on your videos with CapCut. The fourth app that you are going to need as a YouTube creator is actually called the Lightroom app or InShot app. This app, the only reason why you need this app, because you can use this app to actually like edit your photos, so your photos will be looking way more better. Because sometimes you might take a photo and it's not looking good, or maybe the brightness is bad or something is bad, and you just want to make it look a little a little bit much more sharper and snazzy. So you can actually use these two apps to get that done, so that you can have the picture in your video, or use it to create thumbnails and stuff like that. So if you know that you're having issues with your photos sometimes and you want it to look sharper and better, you can actually use these two apps for that and have them installed in your phone at all times. The fifth app, or rather tool, that you are going to need is called vidIQ. And the reason why you're going to need this app, because with this app you'll be able to like fully optimize your videos, and also apart from that you'll be able to rank your videos better, rank it on YouTube. And also with this app, another thing that I like about this app, or rather a cool feature that me myself I like it about this app, is that you'll be able to use it to like see the tags that other people are using. On a normal, if you're watching people's video, like you can't see the tags that they use when uploading the video, but with this vidIQ app, it's more like you'll be able to like sneak peek, like you'll be able to see the tags that they actually use that is making those their video to go viral and stuff like that. Then you'll be able to copy those tags and apply it on your own videos before uploading. So that is a very, very cool feature about vidIQ. Another cool feature about this vidIQ is that it can actually give you video ideas. Like sometimes if you are out of ideas, you can actually use this vidIQ tool to get ideas. Because when you are checking YouTube and trying to see the videos that will actually do well, with this vidIQ you'll be able to actually see videos that will do well if you are to upload them, or rather titles that will do well whenever you have to use that titles on your video. So vidIQ is actually a very, very powerful app, and you can also go and look that app up, because that app is super powerful and has a lot of features as well. And also I made a video about how to install vidIQ on your browser. So I'm also going to suggest that at the end of this video, so that at least you can watch that and know on how to do that. And the reason why I'm actually suggesting all these videos, like you observe that on this video I'm actually saying I will suggest this, I will suggest that. The reason why I'm doing that is because I can't just come here and just tell you a lot of things and then you start doing the research and finding out on how you can use them. So it's better that, okay, I tell you about these apps and then I also give you some tutorials on how to use them. So that's actually better, so it will make everything easier for you. So just make sure to install the apps and then look at the videos that I suggest at the end if you're interested to learn one or two things about using all these apps and stuff like that. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. And also at the end of this video you are going to see some of my similar videos, or you might see my playlist. But on this video I'm sure you are going to be seeing a lot of videos that I told you guys that I will suggest at the end, so you can watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.